What is today, you guys? The 23rd. I'm getting ready for my party. So, okay, this is my Christmas tree. Maria wanted to see it. This is a palm tree, you guys. It really is, but I put balls on it. As you can see, I put some balls. And my present from Diana down there. Then outside, I have it there, all decorated. Did a bunch of running around. There's my bows. And I got seating out here. And then here is, just so everybody can see, the river. Okay, coming back in. I've got everything ready here. Okay, here's John's room. Nothing exciting, but, oh, I better turn that side light on. Dad, I got new, look at this, everybody. I got new bedspread for John's room. Okay. And then back in here, there's Mom and John. There's my table there, my seating, my kitchen ready to go.
You have napkins over here, don't you?
Oh yeah, Mom. I've got those things, or lots of napkins. Okay, my room's ready to go. I've got Christmas music playing there. Got my lights on. Got my candle lit. Got my everything stuffed into that closet there, and my bathroom's just nothing much. So we're ready to go tonight. People arrive at 6. Okay. Now we're in Lynn and Rama's here.
Slow.
There. Oh yeah. I'm going too fast.
Is that videotape?
Yes, it is.
Did you get my dance?
I did. There we are.
Merry Christmas. Thanks for having us tonight.
You're welcome.
Of course. Thank you very much.
There. Hi, Dad.
Love the artwork.
I know. Don't they have great artwork? It livens up a place.
Did you paint that?
Coming through.
Yeah?
Let me see their view.
I know. You should see the view at night or in the day,
They've
Dad.
got the same
Watch out. Watch out. Yeah.
same system here.
Yeah? Seriously?
You gotta step up.
There.
She's a good artist, but she
There. Okay.